You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word. We'll be looking at how to say names of different ranks from the Army, the Navy, the Air Forces, and so on as well. So if you want to learn more, make sure to stay tuned to the channel. It's known collectively as armed forces, heavily armed, highly organized force primarily intended for warfare. So that's what it means. But how do you pronounce this? There are two different ways of pronouncing it, mainly British English and American English. So the top spelling, that's phonetic spelling that I've written down here for you. In British English in the UK, it's said as military. Tree. Stress on that first syllable. Military. Okay, now the Americans in the US American English pronunciation is as military. Oh, there's actually a mistake here. The H should be after the E here. Military or military. Those are the two correct pronunciations, military or military. And now you know, right? More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Let me know in the comments what you thought. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.